Hello students, welcome class 3. Oh, this is the live class, I forget that. Are you ready? How many joined out of 52? 6 or 5? 5. Yes. Let them to join, then start. Good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon, all of you. Chapters already completed, right? Both the chapters already completed and book exercise also completed. Book exercise also completed, and today we will revise this first chapter. Chapter number 1, hardware and software. Who can't complete the book exercise before? They please note down the book exercise short answers, because all are objective type. So I will discuss only short answer, fill in the blanks, true false, matching, and one word answer I will discuss now. Okay, so you all please take out your computer book. If there is any missing in your book, if the book work is not completed, it is incomplete, then please complete it. Please complete it. Okay, let's check chapter number 1 exercise, and the first open page number 14. You all please open page number 14. 9 are joined. Okay, ma'am, when is the exam? Beta, Daksha, it will inform, but it will be uploaded in the website today or tomorrow. Within tomorrow it will be uploaded. Beta, date will be exam date, exam routine will be uploaded in the website within tomorrow. Okay, and you just learn these 2 chapters very well. I am given inside I am given the questions from inside also. Okay, what happened? What is this? Okay, Sheikh Tawfiq. Okay, I am just discussing, you just check it, your answer is correct or not. Okay, beta. Now first let's check page number 14. Let's check. Name the following. Name the following. It is small and portable. It is small and Shankalan completed. I hope completed, because this chapter already completed. Today once more I just repeat it. It is small and portable. It stores data. Answer me. Answer me, beta. Pen drive. Yes, very good. Ayush Mondal. Fine. Pen drive. Number A. Answer is pen drive. I have given suppose 4 options. In them, correct option you have to tick. Okay. Pen drive. Next, number B. It draws high quality images on very large pieces of paper. Answer me. Daksha, it is also correct, beta. Now next question. Plotter. Daksha, very good. Ayush, very good. Shauri, very good, beta. Shankalan, very good. It is plotter. It draws high quality images on very large pieces of paper. It is plotter. P-L-O-T-T-E-R. Next, number C. Next, number C. I cannot see the board actually. How much is covered? I can't understand. Next, number C. It is used to enter data into the computer. It is used to enter data into the computer. Answer me, beta. Yes, it's okay. Unchecked. Yes, very good, Shauri. And that's Ayush, very good. Very good, beta. Keyboard. Keyboard. Whose book work is incomplete, please complete it now. And whose book work is completed, they please check it and answer me. Okay. Number D. It is a device used to point and select object on the screen. Yes, very good. Thus Ishan, Ayush Mondal and CH who? Write your full name. And Swagatam, very good. Afrin, very good. Shouri, Shankalan, Ishan, very good. Beta, mouse. Mouse is a device used to point and select objects on the screen. Number D, mouse. And number E. Next, number E. It is the main storage device present inside the computer. Hard disk. Yes, Ayush Mondal, very good. Ayush Mondal, Shankalan, very good beta. It is a hard disk. Hard disk is the main storage device present inside the computer. Present inside this computer. It is hard disk. HARDDISK. Hard disk. Next is number F. Next, number F. This part of the computer looks like a TV screen. This part, yes, monitor. Very good all of you. Ishan, Shouri, Tawfiq, Afrin, Swagatam, very good beta. Shankalan, very good. It is monitor, look like a television. Monitor. MONITOR. Okay, completed. Now, open page number 16. Now, I will discuss page number 16, book exercise. Page number 16. First, number A, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. What she written? Oh. Okay. Now, fill in the blank. A dash displays output on the screen. A dash displayed output on the screen. Yes, Ayush Mondal, Afrin, Swagatam, very good beta. Monitor. A monitor. Number A. Answer. Monitor. MONITOR. Next, number B. Next, number B. Very good, Ishan, Shouri, very good. An operating system is an example of dash. An operating system is a, beta, it will be system software. Not only software, obviously it is a software, it is a system software. An operating system is an example of system software. Very good all of you. Ishan, Ayush Mondal, Afrin, very good beta. It is a system software. SYSTEM, system software. Next, number C. Dash software are written for specific purpose. Dash software are written for specific purpose. Write down. Yes, very good, Ishan and Shankalan. It is a application software. Afrin, very good beta. Ayush Mondal, hardware and software. Next answer, asking number C, answer that only. Application software are written for specific purpose. Write down application. APPLICATION. Application software. Next, number D. A dash and dash work together in a computer system. Dash and dash work together. Yes, Shankalan, hardware and software. Very good. Tawfiq, very good. Ishan, very good. And Afrin, very good. Ayush Mondal, very good. It is a hardware and software. Work together in a computer system. Number D, hardware and software. HARDWARE. Hardware and software. 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 Hardware and software. Next, number E. Dash is the brain of the computer. Dash is the brain of the computer. Brain of the computer. Yes, CPU. Beta, Ayush, you should write in capital letter because it is a short form. CPU. All the three letters should be in capital because it is a short form. and the full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. CPU in capital letter. Okay. Now I will rub the board, and next part is state whether the following statements are true or false. True or false. Following statements are true or false. Number 2, true or false. Number A. Now, a mouse is an output device. Mouse is an output device. Mouse is an output device. No, yes, beta. Mouse is an input device. So it is false. Correct. It is false. F-A-L-A-C. Number A. Number 1. A false. Next number B. You can see, feel and touch software. You can see, feel and touch software. We can see, feel and touch software. We can see, feel and touch software, beta. Your next answer, number B. We cannot see, feel and touch software. It is also false. It is also false. You are correct, beta. Number B also false. Next number C. Next number C. An operating system starts automatically when the computer is turned on. Yes, an operating system starts automatically when the computer is turned on. It is true. It is true. Number C, true. And number D. Number D. Notepad. Next answer, number D. Notepad is an example of application software. Notepad is an example of application software. D, true. Yes, correct. Ishan, Tawfiq, Shankolon, very good beta. Shouri, very good. True. Number D, Notepad is an example of application software. Notepad, WordPad, Paint, true. Next number E, input, process and output devices are hardware devices. Input, process and output devices are hardware devices. Yes, it is true. You are correct, beta. It is true. Nasreen, doing or not, beta? It is number E, true. Number E, true. How many join? 19, 18. Okay. Nasreen, any problem, beta? Okay. Write down the answer. Next number 3. Number 3, tick the correct option. Next number 3, tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. Number A, devices used to store references are called input devices, storage devices, output devices, all of these. What happened? Cut hয়ে গেছিল? Okay. তো খুঁত করছিস? Okay. Now tick the correct option. Number A, devices used to store data for future references are called storage devices. Yes, Daksha, correct. Very good. Shouri, correct. Ishan, correct. It is a storage devices. Number A, 2 is the correct answer. Storage Next number B. Which of the following is an input device? Speaker, mouse, printer, CD. Yes, yes, mouse is an input device. Option 2. It is the correct answer. Option 2, mouse. Next 3. An operating system is an example of system software, application software, both of these, none of these. It is a Tawfiq, correct. It is a system software. 3, 1 is the correct answer. Yes, system software. System software. Next number D. Devices that are used to give instructions to a computer are called. Devices that are used to give the instructions to a computer are called. Yes, very good. Input device. Number 1 is the correct answer. Input device. Next number E. Next number E. Process data is called input device, memory, instructions and information. Information, correct beta. Option 4 is the correct answer. Information. And I will discuss the matching. Now input device, it is a keyboard or input device. You all please follow me carefully. Next, output device. Output device, monitor is an output device, and processing device, it is a CPU, is a processing device. See, okay. And next is storage device. Pen drive, it is a storage device. Okay. Windows, it is an example of operating system. Okay. Now turn over the next page. Very short answer type questions I will discuss only. Name any two operating system. You can write Windows, Mac OS, Linux. These all are the example of operating system. Write the name of any two input devices. You know very well, keyboard, mouse, speaker, these all are the input devices. Name any two application software. Application software, Notepad, WordPad, MS Paint. These all are the example of application software. And next, any two storage devices. Any two storage device, CD, DVD, pen drive, these all are the example of, and hard disk is the main storage device. Hard disk, these all are the example of storage devices. For today, this much. See you next class. Thank you. Have a nice day. Huh? Yes, beta? Okay. You all will learn these two chapters very well in your home. Okay? Thank you.